welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see how we can install Flutter in our Mac and set up Flutter for app development in Mac. So this is a 3 to 4 part video for installation and setup Flutter for Mac around Android Studio and Xcode. So let's get started. So before we do anything, just go to the link below in the description for Flutter's website. So after you go to this website, just go to the docs and just go through from start to finish, and then just go to get started portion over here. Just click on it and download the Mac OS setup file for your Mac. Okay, just then click on this button below where it says flutter underscore Mac OS underscore 2.0.3 dash stable version.zip, and it will start downloading the file for you, which is around 1006 MB. It shows 2 minutes for me, and for you it depends on your internet speed. So before we do further, let me just give you a quick requirement for Flutter. So minimum requirement for Flutter is you should have macOS High Sierra running on your Mac, at least 10 GB of disk space and 8 GB of RAM for running Flutter smooth on your Mac. So this is the minimum requirement for your Flutter, and that's it. So I'll fast forward this download things. Just go to your download folder and unzip the file. It will automatically unzip it for you after downloading it. Then what you have to do is just go to your computer and your Macintosh HD, go to your user folder, go to your username, and you have to create a new folder and give it name developer. Okay, open this folder and just copy this Flutter folder inside the developer folder. Okay, after this step, just minimize everything and open a terminal and just run this command. Let me do just a quick. Okay, just make this basic default so you can see command properly. So just open terminal again and write this command echo $shell. Okay, so as you can see that it will shows me bin/zsh. so it means that in my terminal the default command shell is using zsh. So some of you have older version of macOS which use bash command for that. So for bash command you have to edit file .bash underscore profile. So for edit that file you have to go to your terminal and write this command bash profile. Okay, hit enter and it will open in Vim editor. Then just open the link again and just copy path export to this column and copy it and paste it over here. Okay, now open your developer folder and this Flutter where we have pasted a Flutter folder. Just drag this Flutter folder to your Vim editor. Okay, and it will automatically return path for you. Then what you have to do is just click on I, and it will says insert over here. It means you can now edit the file on with your keyboard. Okay, so just write /bin and hit double quotes. Okay, now just give Control C to quit in insert mode, and just write colon WQ and exclamation mark and hit enter. So it will save this file for you. So I will not gonna save it right now. I just clear all this stuff because I don't want to mess around in this file, because I am using ZSH folder. So I have to use another, I have to edit another file. So for who are using ZSH command shell, you have to edit vim.zshrc file, and after open this file in your vim, the same process goes for this. Just copy this file and just paste it over here. Open your developer folder and drag this to your vim editor. Okay, hit I and enter /bin double quotes, Control C, then colon WQ exclamation mark and hit enter. Okay, after this just you have to do close the terminal. Okay, and reopen terminal again, and then you have to just write Flutter dash version. Okay, and it will says that Dart cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. Okay, so at this time you have to open system preferences and just cancel it and go to system preferences and just give allow anyway. Okay, and again just write Flutter dash version and hit enter and open. So it will say Flutter has been successfully installed and Flutter version is 2.0.3 and Dart version is 2.12.2. I have installed Flutter in my Mac before it, so it's just showing this basic information, but when you install it first time you will see different screen from mine. So thank you so much for watching, guys. In next video we are going to see how we can set up Android Studio for Flutter. So stay tuned for that video, and many more video for Flutter development will be uploaded soon on channel. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel.